What's up, guys? It's Lottery Stocks here. I got my Weibo pulled up. Here we got a video of a new GameStop price prediction for Monday or for the whole week coming. I may just do Monday, or I'm going to probably give you I'll do my best effort to give you my price prediction on the week. But here we go. GameStop price prediction for Monday, guys. Let's get right into this. And obviously, you know GameStop's not based on fundamentals. If you've seen my other videos, this is technical analysis, graph analysis, and takes some things into consideration, but not every fundamental into consideration, because GameStop is just does not really work like that. So as you guys can see right now, we're not going to waste any time. We're on it. We know what's happening. You're probably watching this video because you're diamond handing like me, and you're obviously just trying to find a price prediction. So we're going to go over to the last couple days. The last couple days we had crazy spikes, right? So we had a long drop. We had long drops coming here. 2 days of long drops followed by 2 days. Well, actually followed by a day and just in the opening hours of a market spike. And then now we're in another downtrend. We seen right here before the market opened, we seen this long head and shoulders, and then it showed a reversal. And you seen the pop right here. And now it's just in a constant downtrend. So we're gonna grab ourselves a trend line. See what could happen from here, guys. Bring this into the after hours. Actually, matter of fact, it's consolidating right here, so this could pop either way. We're gonna put the line a little bit further out. Maybe close. This is Friday right now, guys, but this still applies to Monday because the market will be closed either way. We should bring that in a little bit, actually, guys. I was bringing it out so that we could have a little bit of leeway, but we actually want to make this real tough on GameStop. We want to really know where the trend's gonna go in the long run. In the long run, we know this squeeze is inevitable. Also, guys, in my last video, if you haven't seen it and you're wondering when are the shorts gonna cover, when is the squeeze gonna happen, they don't have a time limit. And if you guys don't know this already, they actually have what's called margin interest that they have to pay at the end of the month for whatever their positions are in their portfolio. And that's why this is so important, because there's over $4 billion, I believe, into the shorted shares of GameStop, and they're paying interest on that by each end of the month. That's why this price prediction is so important, because what is it? It's probably, there's only a few days left of March, and it's going, if they want to pay more interest, then we might have a long fight. And we might have an even longer fight for next month, guys. So keep that in mind. They have to actually pay interest. You guys should go watch that video. I explain everything in there. Today it looks like we held a lot of support for that 159 level. And obviously it could swoop under a little bit. I believe we also have, looks to me like we also may have a support at the 169. Not too strong though. Both of those aren't really strong. This was kind of just like a weird pop in a way. And do we see anything? Let's see. Do we see any patterns here in the 5-minute chart? We see a constant downtrend. This could be maybe the correction downtrend. I don't know if you guys have seen the Elliott wave theory. And now it's straightening out, which would be 1, 2. And this, I don't know, would be considered a third of an impulse wave. And it could be either 5 or 3. And if we continue straight, then this prediction is going to go sideways. But this could happen this could build up for another one of those impulse waves, like the Elliott wave theory. Maybe not these huge of waves, but again, guys, what we seen today in the morning were $15 impulse waves, $15 jumps. yeah, we were seeing $15 jumps, so you never know. These impulse waves could be big. Usually it consists of 5 of these. If you guys don't know the Elliott wave theory, this would be the first impulse correction, and this theory would not work if the second correction overlapped the first, as in if it was down here. Then there's no theory there, guys. So we're gonna take this into consideration. It looks to me like overall, let's go 10-minute chart. Overall, we really like to stay above the $160 range. We like the stock, guys. Yeah, we like the stock, but seriously, 160 looks a little oversold, and I'm not going off the RSI indicator. I don't go off indicators with GameStop. Once again, guys, don't ask me about going off of indicators. They do not matter. Yeah, 160, strong support in my opinion. Right here, this line, strong support. We do see some strong resistance at the 280 mark. 280 is strong resistance. I honestly don't think resistance matters once the squeeze happens. This is a soccer ball being kicked off. Let's get into Monday right now. So let's say this is weird trading sideways right now. I want to get this as accurate as possible for you guys. So I want to go to the day. Oh, AMC's doing it too. Go to the day AMC was trading sideways, and it was really weird. Let me go back. Right here, AMC traded sideways and then went in a downtrend. That's not looking too good, but it was already in a downtrend, so that can't really help us. So we'll say, right, if this is consolidating and it wants to go in a downtrend, hopefully this 160 will support us. If not, look at this, right? If not, look at this. This is just, I'm doing this so sloppy just because, look at it, guys. It's look how sloppy the graph is. I mean, polyline consolidates. See a nice drop off, large drop, after hour spike, drop off, and another one of these days. If we were getting real technical with it, I mean, guys, if we were getting real technical with it, with patterning, etc., this is what our Monday and Tuesday would look like. And all in all, if after hours on Monday looks like something like this instead, then we see a huge head and shoulders pattern. That would be cool. That would be a nice reversal. Good for us? I don't know. Let's see. My price prediction for Monday, if they don't want to pay interest again, I see spike in after hours. They illegally short the stock because they know what's coming. They're about to buy their shares back, pay their short interest. See a nice spike, get everyone's hopes up, drop the stock so there's no faith in the squeeze anymore for these paper handlers and the investors who actually don't look up videos like this and don't do their research. Scare off paper handlers, and maybe another day of scaring them off. And this is the last day of the month, Tuesday, I believe. Nope, Wednesday is the last day of the month. We could see drops all 3 of these days, guys. We could see drops. Actually, no, we can't. Take that back. Tuesday would be the last day we see drops. Every day in the after hours from Tuesday, we could see large spikes. We could see the squeeze. Because this is the end. This is the last day of the month, guys. Actually, Monday's price prediction, and after that could be the squeeze. This week can be the squeeze. Now I'm just noticing it. You guys really should go watch my last video. Like, it's crazy. Because people don't really go over what the time limit is. We're just kind of watching, hoping for the squeeze. Yeah, guys, GameStop price prediction for Monday. Exact pricing. Don't remember, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. You guys can see what I'm doing with the charting, and going off patterning is a little difficult for GameStop. But you're not going to find anyone going off fundamentals, because fundamentals also don't matter unless there's a huge catalyst for it, because the stock's going to move up and down crazy no matter what. The point is, we hold, we don't sell. Diamond hands. I see a big pop, maybe bigger. Holding at that 230 resistance line Monday. If anything, if we pop, we're going to hang around the 230 to under the 250s mark. Maybe like a quick jump in there. And I believe we're going to be followed by huge dips. Nothing under the hundreds mark, because we have strong resistance at the $100 level. Nothing under the hundreds mark. Maybe even a drop on Tuesday, drop off, still nothing under the 100. If we get under the hundreds, this could happen. It's pure manipulation, guys. This could happen. Don't be scared. How long have you held? Don't waste your time. If they don't want to pay interest, then we're going to see the squeeze. After hours Tuesday into the day on Wednesday. Maybe even Monday. You know why, guys? Maybe even Monday, actually, because this isn't an instant thing. People are expecting the squeeze to be day long. Sorry, that sounded real dumb, that mess up. People are expecting the squeeze to last long. So if we're right up here, if we see the squeeze on Monday, it's going to look absolutely insane. It's going to look absolutely in this graph, it's going to look like this, but obviously the small candlesticks, it's gonna look not as bad. Yeah, guys, there you have it. That's my Monday's price prediction. If you don't know what I said, retrace this video. Go check out my last video, actually, because that short interest, the margin interest that these short sellers pay is actually really helpful to know about. This breaks this, we could see the spike or the uptrend. I'm not saying sell, buy low, because that gives them more shares to short, and also is very risky for you to miss the squeeze if you held this long. And if it breaks this, I suspect a drop. Obviously, that's what trend lines are for. Go watch my how to predict the stock video. Just all in all, guys, it'd be appreciated if you join the fam. It is free. At least hit that like button if you don't want to join the fam and watch my videos. But I appreciate you guys, and lottery stocks out.
I get you shot like a movie skit. One shot, he drop like a hooligan. How we gon' get to this bag when we focus on gunplay, but trapping is all that we got. All of us gon' make it one day like church.